In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find First Citizens Bank mobile branches and ATMs near you, step by step. Navigating financial services can seem daunting, but with a few simple instructions, you'll find it incredibly easy to locate First Citizens Bank mobile branches and ATMs closest to your area. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the home page of First Citizens Bank at firstcitizens.com. This is your primary resource for accessing all the tools and services they provide, including the ability to locate branches and ATMs. Once you've arrived at the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should be seeing a homepage filled with various menus and options related to banking services and resources. Next, you'll want to scroll down this page. As you scan the site, keep an eye out for a section labeled Find a Branch. This feature is typically featured prominently on the homepage for easy access, indicating just how crucial it is for customers like you who need quick access to physical banking locations. This tool is your gateway to locating both branches and ATMs, so it's essential to find it first. Once you've located the Find a Branch section, you'll see options to search by city or state. This is quite handy if you already know the particular area you're interested in. For instance, if you're traveling and want to plan your visit to a branch in advance, simply type in the city and state in the provided fields to see what's available. This search will help you gather general information about the branches in that area, including their hours of operation and services offered. Alternatively, if you prefer to conduct a more specific search, particularly if you're looking to find the nearest branch or ATM where you are right now, the search tool is equipped with GPS functionality. You can enter your city, state, or even your zip code into the search bar. There's also an option to allow the website to access your current location through your device, which will automatically provide you with a list of the nearest branches and ATMs. This location-based search is especially useful for finding what's in your immediate vicinity without any additional input needed from you. In summary, using First Citizens Bank's website makes it straightforward to find their mobile branches and ATMs, whether you're planning ahead by city and state or searching for something nearer to your current location. With these steps, you're well equipped to navigate their services easily and efficiently. Happy banking!